Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from this 2015 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. In this, when the sat nav's on, you can click go back, but it just goes back on the sat nav. That's all it does. So what you have to do is click telephone, and you see there it's ready for Bluetooth telephony. Now you've got telephone, connect device, and call list here. So if I knock this back, it highlights this main menu there. You'll just see, if you click on telephone, you've got import contacts. We don't want that, so we can click back, and connect device. So connect device, you see Barry's iPhone there. That's the one I want to delete, and you've got a menu at the side here. So you've highlighted the phone, click sideways, select, and then you've got deauthorize, details, reception volume or transmission volume. We want deauthorize. Click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 11? So it defaults to no. We turn the selector to yes, click the selector, and that's it gone.